fully involved, and they're like helping production and lights, and they're helping with the inbox and behind the scenes and all this sort of stuff. It would likely be a combination of all of that. But yeah, it's kind of like a question of how integrated that new person would be.
Well, with all of that huge equipment that you're hauling around, I'm sure you could probably use a Sherpa of some sort, someone to help you kind of carry it all around, because it's quite a bit of stuff. And honestly, like, I would imagine there would be people jumping at the opportunity, because then they end up learning kind of from someone who's really successful at it. So there's a big amount of value there. So you just mentioned that you were going to school and you just graduated. So you were going to university. You majored and you minored. What were those again? I know it was in complementary field.
Yeah, my major was business and technology.
There we go.
And I went to Stevens Tech in Hoboken, and they had what they call a concentration, which is essentially a minor. And I had two, one in marketing and communications, and the other in information systems. So IT, business, tech, just kind of all wrapped into one.
Wrapped into a big sandwich, which, I mean, is like exactly what you do. That can only strengthen what you're doing right now. You were going to school concurrently with all of this craziness happening, obviously. How much, if at all, did kind of your online life and your campus life intersect, or were they pretty much completely separate?
I tried to keep them separate.
Yeah.
That's pretty much, I go to class. I mean, there's occasionally a class that, like, directly, like, I had a class called, I'm pretty sure it was called, like, social media or something like that, or, like, in the class we were literally learning about Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to learn about this stuff, and I'll be able to apply it to real life.